Market regulator SEBI could launch a platform to regulate pre-listing trades in IPO-bound companies. Now, this is something that the regulator has hinted at, but we have many more details on what it might look like. Charu joining us for more.
So the Market Regulator Securities and Exchange Board of India is mulling ways in which unlisted shares and unlisted trading can be brought under its scrutiny. So this is something that has been hinted at by the SEBI chairperson already, but what the regulator is currently mulling is to increase the pre-IPO session, which is currently a very small window, into a much more extended time. So between stock allotment day and the listing day, the 3-day window, they are thinking about extending this 15-minute pre-session window to these days, so that any sort of price discovery related issue do not arise, and the entire process of price discovery basically also becomes much more streamlined. Now, this is also something which will allow the regulator to sort of get a small chunk of the grey market under its scrutiny without really changing a lot of regulations. Otherwise, getting unlisted securities under its purview would have become a very big challenge, and a lot of tweaks would have been required. Even this will be a daunting process, but the regulator is thinking about extending this pre-IPO session window so that this period can be brought under its scrutiny. Now, this is going to be a platform, as mentioned by SEBI as well earlier, which is going to also give investors some detailed disclosures about the securities that they will be trading in, so that it becomes much more convenient and transparent for them to engage in this sort of trading. Apart from this, we must understand that this is not the first time that a conversation and exploring around the topic is being done. Before her retirement, the previous SEBI chairperson as well mentioned that they are thinking about bringing a when-listed mechanism where unlisted shares, pre-IPO shares, could be traded.
Okay, so important update there, and certainly something to watch out for.